How goes the family? Welcome back to Larry's Anything Goes. Hopefully you guys are continuously having a great day. Today's word of the day and positive affirmations, because I always got to get it in. So let's go over them. So I will start with today's word of the day. And today's word of the day deals with a lot of, we got a lot of things going on around the world. And the main reason why I do the positive affirmations and the word of the day, because I want people's days to start off or end on a great note. So the word of the day is unity. In Spanish would be unidad. Now, what is the definition of unity? The state of being united or joined as a whole. And I think we as people in general, no matter where you reside at in the world, we need to practice a little bit more humility and just trying to work with each other instead of against each other. And there's nothing wrong with competition and all that, because heck, that's what business is. But we need to start being more united when it comes to the safety and the health of everybody. We need to be more united in the uplifting of more people and giving people more hand ups and whatnot in life so that people can try to advance it and be the best person that they can be at the end of the day. So that is my word of the day. And when it boils down to the positive affirmation, one of my favorites, I'm choosing and I'm not waiting to be chosen. I think this really boils down to a lot of things in life as a whole, because a lot of people want to wait for their moment. They want to wait for their chance. And I think if anything, today's pandemic and today's situation has proven to everybody that time is of the essence. And there's a lot of people that probably have a lot of regrets that they would have did things differently before today's pandemic, because their life has been, mostly everybody's life has been put at a standstill at a whole. And I think that regret is one of the worst things that one can have in their life. And there is a saying that you're never too old to start a new goal, but the time for executing your goals is now. I'm doing that as little or as big as possible. One of my favorite terms of Nipsey Hussle, rest in peace, rest in heaven, was his name of his music label, which was All Money In. And that saying means a lot to me because, like, full disclosure, I'm bidding in a Baltimore tax lien sale, and I'm putting all the money that I need to invest in because I'm trying to come out a winner. And not only when it comes to all putting all your money in when it comes to doing certain things, but you need to put all the time in when it comes to certain things. If something means that much to you, put the time into it, whether it's you being a better parent, whether it's you being a better spouse, whether it's you getting a certification, whether it's you learning a language, whether it is you building your business. Put the time in, put the work in, especially for the men. We work, work, work. Nothing wrong with having fun and things of that nature, but put the time in to work. Put the time in to relax and chill as well, because you got to keep yourself physically and mentally healthy. But if you don't see any results and you're not working enough, then obviously, you got to reevaluate how you're approaching things in life. But put the time in, put the work in, put it all in, just put everything in. Like Nipsey would say, all money in. And you got to be all in if you're going to do anything in this life. And you take it brick by brick, and eventually you will have your own store, your own company, your own little plot, your own home. There's a lot of first time home buyers nowadays, but you got to be all in, because either you're going to be all in or you're going to be not at all. You can't be halfway in and halfway out. You know what I mean? So that's the positive affirmations and the word of the day. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out the online store, and definitely check out the Karatbars International family, where we buy gold, we save gold, we refer others to do the same thing. You make money off the gold and the cryptocurrency that you purchase, and off the referrals that you make. There's no monthly fee. The only fees you pay is when the gold and the cryptocurrency that you purchase. All right. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys later.